Let's start the video. Okay. Where are we going, guys?
Botany Bay.
Botany Bay. What's in Botany? We are with Jen. Jen?
Yes.
Here, say hi.
Hi.
Hey, husband. Yay!
I'm broken down. I need loving, I need it now. When I'm without you, I'm something weak. You got me begging, I'm on my knees. I don't wanna be needing your love, I just wanna be deep in your love. And it's killing me when you're away. Oh baby, 'cause I really don't care where you are. I just wanna be there where you are. And I gotta give one little taste. Sugar, yes please. Won't you come and put it down on me? I'm right here, 'cause I need little love, a little sympathy. Hello, show me good loving, make it all
That's Luis right there, Jen's husband. And again, Jen. Hey, Jen. Angie. Oh, ako sa sapatos. Maong. Tattered jeans. Aha akong location. And sa beach.
Won't you come and put it down on me? Hey, my broken pieces, you pick them up. Don't leave me hanging, come give me some. When I'm without you, I'm so insecure. You are the one thing I'm living for. I wanna be needing your love, I just wanna be deep in your love. And it's killing me when you're away.
Maldives.
Baby, 'cause I really don't care where you are. I just wanna be there where you are. I gotta give one little taste. Sugar, yes please. Won't you come and put it?
It's perfect weather. It's very cold.
Once you get used to it, it's fine.
I can feel the water from here. It's really cold. Woo! Oh my god, it's
I gotta be a man, there ain't no other way. 'Cause girl, you're hotter than a Southern California day. I don't wanna play no games, you don't gotta be afraid. Don't give me all that shy shit, no makeup on, that's my sugar. Yes please, come and put it down on me.
Piyon na itong camera. Tanawan niya sa among kwan.
Mga talented sa ito, mas
Ito mga seagull. Seagulls and sea boys.
Yes please.
Patanawa mo soto. Taong soto. Teren! Maong. Kami rin ako maong dire. Ano po? Mang-order na daw po ng media rin. Muna itang menu guys. Malanya na dyan. Sige na lang good. Problemahan sila sa ilang order rin. Angie, what are you having?
I'm still thinking.
You're still thinking. I'll have the burger. Half-pound burger topped with cheddar cheese and bacon.
For the chips or sea bass?